What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Elise, and I am back with another banger. Today, I'm coming at you with a wig install. Not a braided wig, just a simple wig. This is my most updated technique for how I install my wigs. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe for good vibes and hit that post notification bell so you never miss another banger. Okay, I will be using 50% IPA or alcohol to clean any oils, excess product, anything like that off my skin to provide a clean surface for the wig to actually lay. Shout out Felicia Duquesne, I think that's how you say her name. She's a YouTuber who installs wigs, and she uses these white clear pantyhose that actually really melt very well into your skin. I'm going in with the red Eben Active Ultra Hold spray to melt the cap to my hairline. As you can see, as I'm spraying it, the cap is already becoming transparent and blending in with my hairline. Once the spray dries clear, I then go in with the Magnolia Rose Ultra Hold glue. This glue is to die for. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, but I basically outline my hairline or where I've already sprayed to make sure the cap really is sealed down. Next, I spread that glue that I applied into a thin layer, and then I go back with some shears and cut ear holes to ensure the perfect fit. Before I dry the glue clear, I go back and apply any by the ear tabs just to secure the cap. And if you notice, the glue is already drying. Like, I put a lot on, but it's already drying clear. That's why this glue is so bomb. And then I go in on a high cool setting to make sure the glue is actually dry. Everything is dry, and now it's time to cut the excess. So usually I like to make slits throughout, but these pantyhose are so thin and sheer, it was very easy to just glide the scissors along the hairline to cut it. Really, this is transparent, see-through, like this is really giving skin. Okay, so now I am sizing the wig and seeing if any of the cap needs to be cut. If you notice the lace is already cut, I've already installed this wig before, I just forgot to film it the first time. But hairline is already plucked and the knots are bleached. As you can see, the cap is sticking out and is visible from the lace, whether it's see-through or above it, so I will be taking some of that cap back. Really, it was just around the ear tabs that needed to be taken up some, and if you can see, like, that glue is sticky. It really works. So I'm just peeling up the ear tabs a little bit and snipping it so it'll be hidden under the wig. Now that step's complete, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color RDF14. This is the closest cream foundation that I found to my complexion, and really watch how it blends and makes this the bald cap method. Okay, so now that we got our foundation well, the wig is looking good. I can't see the cap. It's now time to clean off my forehead with some more IPA and then go in and start applying the glue. I'm using that same glue again that I used to apply the cap. It's the Rose Magnolia Super Hold Glue. It is water resistant and sweat proof. I can personally testify because I've gone to the gym at least 4 times this week and my wig has not even slid back or lifted once. Now, I want to say that this is a thin layer, but it's not really. This glue is super tacky and dries quick, so I really only put 1 to 2 layers on, which is why you see me putting on so much glue. I'm spreading it thin and making sure that it's slightly overlapping with the cap itself. Once I'm satisfied, I go in on a high cool setting with the diffuser tip on and give it a quick dry. And repeat one more time for a second layer. Now, this is the most important part. We are going to lay down the lace. I'm going to do it slowly and start from one ear and take my time and get to the other. So I'm pulling down the lace to make sure it is a little over where I glued, and then going in on a cool high setting to set it. I go in one last time with the blow dryer on a cool high setting to really make sure the wig is set before I apply the elastic melt belt. I keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes only 10, and let's see the reveal. Y'all, if it's not giving scalp, I do see a couple of pieces where I am going to have to go in with a razor blade, but that's fine. I purposely placed the wig that way. Because I laid the lace slightly in front of where I placed the original layers of glue, there are some pieces that are not sealed down, so I'm able to go in with the glue and just apply a little bit underneath those lace pieces so we can then seal them down. Okay, the wig is now set in its final position. I already pressed this wig before I applied it to my head, so I'm just brushing it out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a middle part because that's exactly how I want to wear this hair. The first time I wore this wig, I cut baby hairs, but this time I won't be wearing them. However, it's still necessary to brush them out to make the hairline look neat, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just a slight close-up. I did over bleach some of the knots, so the wig does look a little blonde at the root, but the lace is see-through, like, yes, sis. And now I'm going in with Ruby Kisses foundation over the hairlines just to clean it up and really blend it with my skin. And that is it. Look at that bounce, look at that body. That concludes today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next wig tutorial, because baby, they are coming. Like, yes, if you didn't know, it's wig season.